and obviously we're going to go. We're done for the day. So please, subscribe, follow me, right? Peace.
All day long.
Next year. Let's go.
Dude, I was taking 6 fish limit every day.
Every day.
Back when I had a boat.
Which is probably decent and they get them out there, huh? Oh yeah, the meat's still almost ready.
And we've been fishing for like an hour now.
I won't take my
Hooked up one and I didn't even get a chance
Yeah, you
to
can.
even video it.
Game on.
But it was a chum. It was a pretty, like at least 15 pounder. Didn't get a chance to video it, but that's all we got today. We've been here like over an hour now, like I said before.
Grasshopper. Yum.
Buddy eating a grasshopper. He says yum yum. So we probably gonna hit back the river again and give it a couple more hours and see what's gonna happen. Hopefully we get some silver. Or another hour.
Give you 2 hours.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get one of Dave's fish.
So we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens from here.
If not, tomorrow mushrooms.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna go take mushrooms, so we will get another video out tomorrow. Picking some trail and hopefully some pine mushroom. Pine mountains. So
Has all you been on YouTube yet? Probably not, huh?
we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna give it a go tomorrow. And today's just another day chilling, you know, drinking with the boys and stuff. That's what we do. So maybe we're drinking more than we're fishing, but we gotta give it a chance.
You got no time for video.
Yep.
All right, guys. Peace.
All right, you guys.
We walking down this whole trail over here to another spot. You see the trail is pretty crazy. It's like pretty steep. We had to walk all the way from up there coming down to this trail, and it is steep. You know, watch yourself, you're gonna fall right down. Look at it. Yeah. It's just me and my partner's over here. We trying to get it, and partner caught 2 already. Still walking down. It's pretty steep. Look. It's crazy out here. Just to get a spot where you gotta fish at. You know. Out here fishing. It's a nice, beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest. Look at the river. And we got a white guy that's fishing opposite of everybody else. Look at him. We don't know who he is. He's over there by himself fishing in the opposite side of the river. That's a no-no. Look at him. He about to die or something, but look at him. He's in the middle of the river for no reason. Because ain't no fish gonna swim up to the river where he's standing at. That guy right there. Yeah. I don't know why he's doing that. That's the guy you see on videos on fails of trying to catch a fish. We got my partner, he's done already for no reason. You know, he ain't hooked no fish. He said he's done.
Huh?
No.
Yeah, cool.
So we could probably get one more spot and we're out of here.
So one more spot it.
See, that's why this motherfucker make video.
See that?
Grasshopper.
At the beginning, you see you cannot cuss when you're making YouTube videos.
Because I'm that kind of personality. The reason he make a video, who ain't catching no fish. If he was catching fish, he wouldn't have time to make video for y'all.
But you're not supposed to make video like that though, see? That's the thing, you're supposed to
That's the thing.
Casa.
But now he got hell time to make video, because he ain't catching no fish. That's the truth.
Man, you're not supposed to make video like
That's
that.
why, see, he don't like my video because he real top.
Ah, yeah.
I'm out.
Yep.
Peace out. Hey, top peace out, man.
Let you know right now, when you see a video from this fool, he ain't catching no fish. He ain't gonna give you no video when he catching fish, so he don't show you the spot. I wouldn't either though. Being honest.
Peace. Hey guys, we're with the crew. Look at this. We just walking back and we tired. Look at it, we carrying the weight. We got fish in the back, fish in the waist. Look at that. We walking back and we tired. We really tired. But you know what? We putting in work. We put in work for today. It been slow, but we put in work. Why? Because it's for you guys. It's for you. It's for you. That's why the reason why we put in work. I want you guys to see what we go through, feel, because we put in work. Look at that. We put in a lot of work. We've been here ever since 6 in the morning. We putting in work just to get fish. So what does it tell y'all that we putting in work? Look at that. Look at that. We carrying fish off our back. Off the waist. For no reason. Off the waist. He could have put it in his backpack, but he want to carry it off the waist. But this is how we do it though. Look at this. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them walk. Hey, we do the talk, we do the walk. That's how we do it. Fishley 82, follow me, and you will get more videos like this. All day, every day, as you can see. Peace out. Hey, what's up guys? That's how we do it. All day, every day. Got my boy right here. That's how we do it. The way we fish, how we represent everything we do. And now everybody don't want to make fun of me now because I got on video.
Hey,
You know what I'm saying?
Suzuki,
That's how we do it. Follow him.
1300.
Follow Instagram right there. Suzuki.
GXR.
Exactly. That's how we do it. Say something, man.
Sir, follow
how
me
you do it,
Instagram.
yep.
Suzuki GXR.
Yep.
1300.
Yep.
Hell yeah, I'm going home with a fish.
Yep.
Hey guys, this what we do. And you know, I want you guys to follow. If not, got the fish going on right there.
Walk up there. Don't drag set on this right now.
Oh shit, that's a chromer. That's how we do it. We don't fucking for no bullshit. We do the chromer shit. That's a chromer shit right there. Dana, follow me on YouTube, man. YouTube channel. Oh shit. That guy suck. Oh, hey, that's how we do it.
Yeah. Easy.
Yeah.
Walk in first cast.
Yeah, walk in first cast. That's how we do it.
Yeah, boy.
Right there. Right there.
Don't forget Hayabusa.
Follow him.
Alright, Suzuki GXR. Follow me. Instagram.
This is how we do it though, all the time.
That's nice, man.
We might not get it, but we do it.
Woo! Look at that.
Look at this one right here.
Go ahead, David.
See it?
Hold that up, man.
See it? Right there. Hold up. Right in the. Hold up.
In the mouth.
Right in the kisser. Right in the kisser. Right there.
Yeah, you see that hood? Pick it up, man. Go ahead, take a picture with it, man. Go. Hold, show it, man. Show how we do it. Show her how we do it. Show her how we do it. Look at that, boy. Yeah. Yeah.
I need to come with camera. Hey, this is how we do. We have fun. Enjoy the life. We fish, we drink. That's how we live. You know what I'm saying?
Huh? Asrai.
Alright.
Asrai. You see that, man? Walk in, first cast, hook set, bye.
Right there.
Yeah.
That's how we do it. It's all day, every day. Right there, Mr. Jakusa.
Suzuki.
Suzuki, oh Suzuki. I thought you Sakuka.
You guys streaming?
No.
I landed my head. I'm not in last place, though. I can tell you that.
I'm the one that hooked nothing yet. It's okay though.
The place is okay.